the goodness of God. Yeah, wanna eat? Picture? Di picture, mama? You wanna picture? Manimahaw ta ani. Manimahaw ako aning ko. Eat? Eat?
The thief here is Satan, the devil, the enemy of our soul. He wants to take out, he wants to rob from us that joy we have. He will steal it, he will kill us, and he will destroy us mentally, spiritually, in all situations. But thank God that Jesus Christ, He died at Calvary's cross to give us that abundant life, that eternal life. So when we talk about abundant life, it's not about only material things, the food, the money we receive, and all of the blessings we receive, but above all, the fruit of the Spirit is the abundant life. Fruit of the Spirit in Galatians 5:22-23 is love, joy, peace, goodness, gentleness, faithfulness, self-discipline.